Have you ever dreamed of making money online but felt it was too complicated or out of reach? Well, let me share something exciting with you. TikTok Shop Affiliate. It's one of the easiest and quickest ways to start earning money from the comfort of your home, and today I'm going to guide you step by step on how it works and why it's perfect for beginners. Stick with me, and by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to get started. So, what is TikTok Shop Affiliate and why is it such a big deal? It's simple. This program lets you earn commissions by promoting products sold on TikTok Shop. You don't need to create your own products or handle shipping or customer service. All you do is share affiliate links. When someone buys through your link, you get a percentage of the sale. Easy, right? But here's what makes TikTok Shop Affiliate a game changer. First, TikTok has a massive, active audience, over 1 billion users worldwide. That's a lot of people looking for inspiration, entertainment, and yes, products to buy. Second, you don't need any fancy skills or professional equipment. All you need is your phone and a bit of creativity to make short, engaging videos showcasing the products you love. And here's the best part. TikTok's algorithm works in your favor, helping your content reach more people even if you're just starting out. With high-demand products and a bit of effort, your potential for earning is huge. Okay, so how do you get started? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, sign up for TikTok Shop as an affiliate. The registration process is quick and approval doesn't take long. Next, browse TikTok Shop's catalog to find products you're excited about. Choose trending or popular items that match your style or audience's interests. Finally, create content. Make short, creative videos that showcase the product. You could demonstrate how it works, explain how it solves a problem, or simply show how you use it in your daily life. Here's a tip. Keep your videos authentic and relatable. People love content that feels genuine. And don't forget to include your affiliate link where it's easy to find, like in your bio or pinned comments. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but I'm new to TikTok. Guess what? That's totally fine. TikTok Shop Affiliate is perfect for beginners. You don't need a huge following or technical skills. With consistent effort, anyone can make it work. Start small, learn as you go, and focus on creating content that's fun and engaging. And here's the thing. Every day, people just like you are earning real money through TikTok Shop Affiliate. Some are bringing in hundreds, even thousands of dollars each month. They started where you are now, taking the first step. If they can do it, so can you. Let me leave you with this. TikTok Shop Affiliate is more than just a way to make money online. It's an opportunity to create, share, and connect, all while building an income stream. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment, you just need to start. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for TikTok Shop Affiliate today, pick a product, and start sharing. The path to making money online has never been this easy. Let's make it happen. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video. Leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips and strategies to succeed online. Let's crush it together. See you in the next one.